Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Snapchat Public Profile, easy method. Tap your avatar, choose Create Public Profile, then follow prompts to enable it right away. Next, add a clear profile photo and concise bio so people know who you are. Make sure privacy and messaging options are set the way you prefer. Finally, review your display settings and save changes to start appearing in public search and on profiles. To customize your public profile, start with a recognizable profile photo and a short, punchy bio that explains your content focus. Use relevant emojis sparingly and include a clear call to action if you want followers to visit another platform. Adjust contact and messaging settings to control who can reach you, and review story permissions so only intended content appears publicly. Save your changes and preview the profile to confirm it looks polished and complete. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful social media tutorials. Quick recommendation: I use the Owala water bottle all the time, perfect for staying hydrated during long content sessions, and it's linked in the description with other deals to check out. That little boost keeps me focused while filming and editing, so I thought I'd share it as a friendly tip. Now let's get back to the video. To grow engagement on your public profile, regularly pin top stories and highlights that showcase your best work and personality. Post consistent public stories and ask clear prompts to encourage replies and saves from viewers. Cross-promote your public profile on other platforms and in bios to attract new visitors. Monitor analytics to see which content performs best and iterate on themes that get more views, replies, and shares for steady growth over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.